Yo, what it do? Doc Seuss. I got a new daily dose for you. You see, I roll through and I got it on lock. Where's your bitch on cock? Mine probably the doc. I'm a hot motherfucker when it come to rapping. I get them things going click clack till they clapping. Damn, it's like an applause. You see me chilling and I get at your paws. That means I'm ripping your dogs out of their seats. Now I compete with people trying to do me, but they could never do it. Who is unique? It's Doc Seuss and I preach. Any motherfucker trying to beat. But if they not liking me, then they be high on weed. But that's alright, cause I am too. I like the joint fast. What you gon' do? Not shit, I break your joints, man. That means your elbows, your knees, and your neck. If you ain't see me, then you better fucking show me respect. I'm about to hold on your checks till I'm blasting it off. Talk shit, you get slapped in the back with a saw, homie. That means the blades is coming. That means I'm taking something. That means your woman probably gonna end up breaking something. I'm talking about it off. And if you wanna do it like I do it, you should probably use a freaking bigger saw. Yeah, because I'm hotter than most. I got it, you folks is not getting off with a froze. If you could rap like I rap, then you probably be broke. Cause you motherfucking pussies can't do what I do. I'm like a show, homie, and this is how we just ride through. And why you getting mad cause I don't like you? It's alright, dude, you probably need to stop with this shit. Walking a bitch, I stick my fucking cock in your chick. Cause I ain't playing, I got it. I'm sipping on some brewski, who's he? Dr. Seuss G, I move beats. And this is all off of the top of the head. I think it's February 1st and I'm rocking instead. And I ain't gotta do nothing till I'm walking with dead. Like I was chilling on the TV show, walking with dead. Yeah, you fucking pussies better listen to the way I spit, because I will take your chicken blazer with the fucking dick. Yeah, homie, that's another disrespectful line. But I ain't playing cause you know I'm about to get it mine. Cheddar is so fine that it's looking like a 747 jet engine flying through the sky. I'm a night rider. I might strike you with my fucking right till I get you off the nine like a time fire. Whoa, holy smokes, get a joke. You could never do nothing like I do it cause you broke, so I was thinking you could rap too, but I was thinking, damn, you suck when I asked you to do a fucking flow. You couldn't even fucking rap 2 bars. You a worthless piece of shit and I could act hard, but I ain't gotta, cause I just know I'm sick on the mic, because I'm using my words to keep on flipping it right. And if you wanna talk shit, you get hit in the eye until you got black ones like you slipped on the ice. Fucking dude, you ain't moving like I move it. It's a fast motherfucker. When I grab it, I can use it. I'm a nutty motherfucker. Better come and see me later. That's your daily dose. I'm bringing them back. Doc Seuss, man. Holla, rhyme sick. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I think that was more than a 16-bar challenge, but O'Shea called me out yesterday. What's up, homie? Keep that shit up, man. Doc Seuss, rhyme sick. Holla, new album coming out in April. You want some more? Yo, now pay attention. Cause I'ma drop it fast. I could walk past your chick, grab her ass, then I look at her and wink and then smile. She like, damn, who the fuck was that? I'm like, cutie, here I am, come and get it. Cause I'm the shit when I be spitting. What you doing? Not nothing. When I grab it, it is exquisite. It's a fast flow. When I grab those, I crack 4 people in the back dome like I had to ask though. Damn, what an asshole. Why you getting mad with his cash flow? That's so unreal with it. You better steal with it like you taking second when the pill's sticking. Yeah, I got the lighter, flick the bit quick. This shit can get you flip tricks like it's Bisquick. You chilling in the kitchen, but your bitch is butt naked while she's sitting on this dick. It's sick. Yeah, and that's Doc Seuss, Daily Dose, February 1st, 2016. Holla, rhyme sick.